Really quick little video here on the Ruger Max 9. The earlier video I did, somebody commented and said that the front sight here on the Ruger Max 9, it did glow in the dark. So let's test that out. Is that actually a night sight on here? Now that the lights are out, let's see if we can get this to show up. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera or not. From the side, I don't really see it. But from the back, looking down the firearm, I do see the sights glowing on the front. I can pick up the front sight with my eye very easily, and I can center it up in the rear sights. So this thing does have a night sight on it from Ruger. So I hope you guys could see that the front sight is a night sight and it was glowing on the front of the firearm. You can pick it up and see it really easy through the rear sights, and I'm just really liking this firearm. I'm liking it more and more. The more I learn about it, the more I shoot it. I think Ruger did a great job with this. Please be a responsible adult. Don't push the responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, be safe.